Hey y'all, so it's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I just want to come on and real quick. I just want to share this safety video. And this is for anybody, especially if you have young kids in your home. You know, little kids be playing in your yard and everything. Just please take one walk around your vehicle before you back up. My sister just called me and told me that a little baby would be, the little girl said she was born in December. She's probably a year and a half, maybe. Mom was backing out of the driveway in a big Suburban and ran over her. It just hurt me so bad. So please just check, y'all. Just make sure that, you know, with evidently her car is older, the mom's vehicle is older, didn't have a rear view camera. But please, y'all, just check. All right. Have a good weekend. Bye.